Welcome. Deep inside us, there is a love that goes beyond time and space. Rumi, the great poet, invites us to remember this love. Take a moment to let his words fill your heart and connect you to this timeless love. From the moment I heard the first love story, my heart began to search for you, not knowing you were always with me. Lovers don't meet in the world outside. They have been one from the very start. Rumi speaks to our hearts, reminding us that the love we long for is not something we need to search for outside of ourselves. It's already within us, waiting to be acknowledged. The connection between lovers isn't something that happens by chance. It's a recognition of something that's always been there, a bond that's eternal and unbroken. This love, the love we seek, is God's love, present in every moment, guiding us even before we recognize it. Lovers have always been one, even before they meet. And that oneness is God's presence, which we can all find within ourselves. Thank you for watching. If these words spoke to your soul, share your thoughts in our comments. And if you'd like to hear more, feel free to subscribe and join us for the next video.